So we are in the Quinault Rainforest. It is so peaceful and quiet here. And these trees, again, are just humongous. Wow, beautiful. And it's so quiet here. And this is, again, a rainforest. And it's one of the less populated areas, but just as beautiful as everything else that you see. So if you're wanting to get away from the crowds, these areas seem to be quite a bit less busy. Yeah, we were just here. I think we're going to go. It's just a little quarter-mile nature trail. But we thought, well, we'll get out and stretch our legs. And check this out. All right, so this is just a short little trail. But there is a little trail system here that looks pretty cool. If we have more time, I guess we'll probably do a little more, but we're just gonna stretch our legs here. Okay, these beautiful ferns. Everything is very lush. Then you come across these beautiful, huge, towering trees.
This is estimated to be 400 years old.
This tree?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so yeah, this tree is estimated to be 400 years old. Wow.
It's a big one.
Just huge.
You want to go down there and see the water?
Sure. Go down here and see the waterfall. You can hear it right off the trail. So of course we have to go down here and see it. This is just lush as it can be through here. And this goes further down. There's some little bridges. That's the main road right there, but down below here, you can hear the water and the falls. Look how lush all of this ridge is with all of these ferns. This is beautiful. Oh, yeah, it's way down there. So we're kind of getting down the bottom of the trail here. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, oh wow, yeah, that's beautiful. All right, so we're going to continue on the Lake Rainforest Trail. I think that was called the Lake Shore Trail that we were on. Pretty area. And there's the river down there. So you get to hear that the whole way. Just love the sound of it. So peaceful.
Look at the roots on that thing.
I know, that's just incredible. She's talking about this tree over here. Look at the roots. That's cool. Alright, so this is another beautiful spot here. Looks like it pulls out there. right, so I think we've seen a few of these things. We haven't seen any osprey yet, but we did see one of these on the trail. And I'm pretty sure we saw those in the lake that day. Remember, we were like, what are those?
Yeah, the ones out there in like the coastal
Right.
kind of waters. Yeah, those were river otters.
So we have seen a little bit of this. All right, there's just a tad bit of incline on this. Not terrible. But it does get you back up in the forest. And it's really quiet out here. Look at that. How those roots. This is an old felled tree or logged. It's been cut down and it's got a tree. It's all wrapped around it.
I'm sitting on it.
And doing very well. Yep. Nature is so cool. Coming up on another marquee. So we'll be going left here. Well, actually right.
Yeah. If you want to go back to this,
Oh, are we? Okay.
that's that way.
All right.
And we'll come back and go this way.
All right.
You guys are up for it. It can't be. What it says,
Half a mile.
I think this is all 1.1. So
Yeah,
it's
It's right up the path here.
0.3.
All right, so we'll go up that way and look at the waterfall or the creek.
It's just a bridge.
Okay. All right.
Like the Cedars there.
You know?
I mean, seriously, how do you capture that?
You can't.
So pretty.
Here, I'll hold it in my hand.
Yeah. Frankie, stand in front of it there. Yeah, or beside it. Wow. Just incredible.
Oh, wait a second. I think.
Oh my God, they are so big.
What's right here? You can go in between those.
There's the bridge down here that we were walking to. Crosses over, I guess this creek down here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, that's way down too.
Yeah.
Way, 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 way down there. So we're getting ready to cross over it on this bridge down here that Shannon said was only just up the trail.
Actually, that might have been me.
Oh, okay. Well, we're going to blame Frankie this time.
You can blame me. I think this is me.
Okay.
Yeah, we along. Freely. This is me.
All right. So you get a nice big long view of this creek. Very pretty.
Is that like part of the original bridge, maybe?
Maybe. All right, so we're gonna head back and go this little short distance and then be taking a left back onto the Rainforest Trail. Finish out that trail. So. All right, so we're continuing down, which this just takes you back to the parking lot. It's a really pretty walk. All right, so we're coming to the end of the trail. And we are going to be heading on down the road. This is just kind of a road trip to our next destination today. And we're just kind of stopping along the way doing these little trails. And some of these forests. This was the Quinault Rainforest area. So, all right.